Tools needed for oil change: ratchet, extension, 10mm, 17mm. Only using the best Valvoline OW20.
Not necessary, but it's always good to keep car clean. First, you want to start by removing oil cap and engine bay.
Then you want to head under the car and remove the oil drain plug cover with the 10mm socket. Once you remove two bolts, move cover to the side to get access to the drain plug. Use 17mm socket to remove drain plug and proceed to drain oil. Once oil is drained, retighten drain plug with 17mm socket. Use brake cleaner to clean oil pan and proceed to wipe off any excess to dry it off. Now you move up to the engine bay and remove oil filter. Clean off area where oil filter sits to have a clean surface to apply new oil filter on. Use a little oil from the old oil filter to apply to the new oil filter gasket. And remember, hand tight. Now you can add oil. And yes, I know I don't have a funnel, so be it. After filling the motor with some oil, now you will check the level, and if the level is good or needs that last quart added in, then you should be all good to go. Turn on the car, make sure there's no leaks, and you're ready to ride. I always do a double dip just to make sure that the oil level is reading correctly. As you can see, it definitely needed more oil.
If you guys enjoyed this little how-to video, please leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.